Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal to receive money. First, you need to create a free PayPal account if you do not already have one. Ensure your account is fully set up by linking a bank account or a debit card. This step is crucial for both sending and receiving funds securely. Once your account is ready, you can easily share your PayPal email address or phone number with anyone who wishes to send you money. One common way to receive money is by sending a money request. Navigate to the Request tab in your PayPal account and enter the sender's email address or phone number. Specify the amount you wish to receive and add a brief note if necessary. PayPal will then send a notification to the sender, prompting them to complete the payment. This method provides a clear and direct way to ask for funds. Alternatively, someone can send money directly to your PayPal account using your confirmed email address or phone number. They simply log into their PayPal, select Send, and input your details along with the amount. You will receive an instant notification once the payment is processed. This direct transfer is often used for quick, person-to-person transactions and is usually completed within seconds, making it very convenient. After receiving money, it will appear in your PayPal balance, which you can view on your account dashboard. From there, you have several options for your funds. You can transfer the money to your linked bank account, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process. Alternatively, you can use your PayPal balance to make online purchases or send money to others directly from your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.